Hey guys, welcome again. My name is Sailesh. You are watching my channel English Study. In this video, we will talk how we can improve English and how we can start speaking English. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to speak English, then you start thinking in English. Now you will say how we can start thinking in English. So in this video, I will suggest you start thinking whatever you are doing, you start thinking in English, not translate it. Translate means first of all you think in Hindi and then start speaking English. It is English translation. But you don't think Hindi and you speak only English. It is speaking English. So you don't translate anything, only you speak English. In this video, I am giving you 3 ideas for speaking English. And if you want to speak English really, then you try these ideas. So first idea is that, first of all, if you get up in the morning, then start thinking today's plan. Like, I got up in the morning and I'm on the bed and I will start thinking what I have to do today. I will think in English. Suppose I don't know English and I want to try this idea self. So when I get up, then I will say, I got up. Now I am going to use washroom. After using washroom, I will go in the coaching and I will teach students an hour. After that, I will brush my teeth and have little breakfast. After that, I will start my second batch and I will teach second batch for an hour. After that, I will bath and then I take a rest. Then I will shoot some videos for YouTube channel and then after I will go home tuition. After that, I will teach Salu and then after I will go home tuition on 3 o'clock. I will return from home tuition and after that I will teach some students in my coaching. Then after I will go second home tuition and I will teach there an hour. Then I will return home at 7 p.m. So in this way you can think in English, not Hindi. You have not to use Hindi words, you have to speak only English. What you want to do every day. So start thinking in English. Second topic, if you have to meet any friends in a particular day, then you can think before meeting your friends, you can think what you want to talk with friends. Not after meeting, before meeting, you start thinking what will talk with my friends. So it is also good ideas. You can think in English. And third tips, in the evening, you start thinking what I did today. Whatever you did every day, you start thinking in the evening. Thinking in such way, you can improve your English and no other way to speak English. So in this way, you can start your English journey and you can improve your English speaking. And you don't miss listening English speech. As soon as possible, you start listening English speech. Many English speech available on YouTube. So you go and search English speech and start listening English speech. Even if you can't understand 100%, still you listen English speech and don't listen foreign speakers. Always you listen Indian English speakers, because if you listen foreigner speakers, then you can't understand what they are telling. But if you listen Indian English speakers, then you can easily understand what they are telling. So you start listening. As much you will listen, so much your English will be improved fastly. So don't miss, you start listening and start thinking in English. These 2 topics improve your English fastly. So do hurry. And don't forget to enhance your English vocab and talking. Thanks for watching. See you again in next video.